Welcome to another World Miner session. My name is Ola Johannes Lind. I'm the CEO of World Miner. We'd like to invite everybody to access our platform, to install the application, and become part of our community. You can also follow World Miner on social media, X, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Medium. Don't forget to visit our website, app.worldminer.io, to start your World Miner journey, or worldminer.io if you want to know more details about our project. Our World Miner app is available for download on App Store and Google Play. And if you like to be a member of our Telegram communities, you can join us on our channels, World Miner Global, World Miner Brazil, or World Miner Bulgaria. As World Miner, we believe that blockchain mining should not longer be a privilege of a few, that everyone should have the access to its benefits. In the future digital economy, regardless of location or wealth, everybody should have the equal opportunities to participate and gain in the new digital era of blockchain technology and artificial intelligence. We think that not only together we can move towards a more inclusive, sustainable, and transparent future. That is the reason why World Miner strategically works with WorldCoin to shape the future of cryptocurrency and aiming to address regulatory gaps in WorldCoin's global market within OpenAI's grand vision to enhance its reach and influence. We trust in the market potential of our coin, ATM, which was developed to provide computing power that helps fill the gaps left by the WorldCoin, to offer that substantial market opportunity. Users can acquire a computing power at a lower cost and earn returns from both WorldCoin and World Miner. World Miner and WorldCoin both aims at OpenAI's core initiatives. Both developed a robust cryptocurrency financial ecosystem. Both rich with a market education, promotion, and technical support that are top tier, demonstrating strong capabilities. World Miner addresses the biometric policy barriers faced by WorldCoin in its global expansion by offering an unrestricted registration and participation platform for users across multiple countries. This move injects new momentum into WorldCoin's market value growth. With World Miner's global promotion, both WorldCoin and ATM values are expected to easily double. World Miner introduces a staking mining model that eliminates the need for an expensive equipment purchases, lower the thresholds. User can stake a certain numbers of tokens to receive that computing power allocation, enabling participation in mining and earning rewards. So compared to traditional mining, staking mining significantly lowers entry barriers, the thresholds to participate in the digital economy, and reduces equipment and maintenance cost. The ATM token that is positioned alongside WorldCoin is currently undervalued. But with the expansion of the project and increased applications, the token price is expected to rise, offering a strong investment potential. World Miner provides not only basic staking mining returns, but it also offers that additional rewards through various incentive programs and activities. So by participating in staking rewards programs and computing power competition on the platform, like our Telegram bot, you can use extra returns, further boosting your gains. Join World Miner today to shape your financial digital future. So today's topic is focused on the integration of artificial intelligence, AI, with blockchain-based smart contracts. to create that more autonomous, adaptive, and efficient systems. Smart contracts are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement directly written into the code. They automatically execute actions with predefined conditions are met. So built on blockchain platforms like Ethereum, these contracts ensure security, transparency, and immutability. So the key benefits of smart contracts is that they eliminate the need for intermediaries, making transactions faster and more cost efficient. However, despite all these benefits, smart contracts has limitations. They are rigid. Once deployed, the contract's code cannot easily adapt to new information or unexpected situations. They rely heavily on predefined conditions, requiring precise input to trigger executions. So this is also a very important part when it comes to smart contracts, is to have an audit prior to the execution and deployment of new smart contracts, making sure that everything is correct and as of the terms. Artificial intelligence can significantly enhance smart contracts by addressing these limitations to create a more dynamic, intelligent system. And this is how AI contributes. Smart decision making. With artificial intelligence algorithms, such as machine learning, helps smart contracts make more informed decisions by analyzing the vast amount of data in real time. For example, in a financial contract, artificial intelligence can predict market trends, evaluate risks, or recommend optimal contract parameters based on this historical data. And then we have improved data inputs. Smart contracts require external data, like real-world events, prices, or indicators, performance metrics, to execute the actions. So with artificial intelligence, powered oracles can improve the quality and the accuracy of the data feed into the smart contracts by filtering, validating, and processing the real-world information from multiple sources. This makes smart contracts more reliable and efficient. While smart contracts can actually automate execution tasks, they still need predefined rules and inputs. Sorry. And AI can take that automation further by enabling a smart contract to learn from the past events, to adjust parameters, and autonomously optimize contracts execution without constant human intervention. For example, in insurance, artificial intelligence can dynamically adjust premiums or claims based on real-time risk assessments. For example, car insurance, that it can then define in certain areas where it can be lower premium or higher premium, depending on the areas or the usage, the driving, how you are getting fines on your driving license, etc. So there's many ways artificial intelligence can improve and enhance, specifically for insurance company premiums in any of the related fields, or predict pricing for the future. Artificial intelligence with the natural language processing gives the capability to simplify contract creation. So instead of writing complex code, parties could describe the terms in natural language, and the AI then translates these terms into a smart contract code that reduces the complexity of creating smart contracts and opens their use to a broader audience. Artificial intelligence patterns recognition's capabilities could detect anomalies and fraudulent activities within transactions. Or, for example, when you're utilizing bandwidth today, like you have, for example, Du or Etisalat or Vodacom or Orange, whoever the ISP provider is, they're utilizing today AI to predict DDoS attacks, or if there is an attack on a network, utilizing artificial intelligence, because they can analyze smaller pockets faster and then flag these suspicious behaviors. So it's specifically important in sectors for this kind of detection in finance, in healthcare, in supply chain management, in data centers or networks in general, where security and compliance are critical. So several industries could benefit from integrating artificial intelligence into smart contracts. Supply chain management. AI would automate and optimize the execution of smart contracts in the systems by predicting delays, adjusting shipment schedules, and verifying authenticity of products. So example, shipment reaches a certain point. The contract can release payments automatically. Artificial intelligence can track variables like shipping conditions and estimate delays, adjusting the contract's execution accordingly. Smart contracts already offer automated claim processing today, but AI can also enhance this by assessing the damage, evaluating risks, and predicting future claims. So artificial intelligence can analyze weather patterns, for example, like we saw the last day, for example, today now in Europe, in Poland, and in the region, Hungary, Romania, etc., where they had flooding in villages that they've never seen before because of the climate change. This is where artificial intelligence can actually predict for future claims and how the claims and where these kind of things would happen, for example. So by analyzing the weather patterns to adjust the insurance premiums dynamically, or to detect fraud in claim based on behavior analysis. So in DeFi, decentralized finance, AI could or would optimize trading strategies and how by executing smart contracts based on predictive analytics or real-time market data. Say, for example, a smart contract could autonomously adjust asset allocations based on the AI's intelligence forecast of the market trends to reduce losses or maximize profits. In healthcare, artificial intelligence could automate or help with the automation with smart contracts for managing patient data securely. These contracts could adjust treatments or medical plans based on real-time patients' data to predict the most effective interventions based on historical information and artificial intelligence analytics. While the combination of artificial intelligence and smart contracts offer exciting potentials, there again, obviously, will be challenges. The complexity of it, so the integration of artificial intelligence adds a lot of complexity to smart contracts, requiring advanced technical expertise. Smart contracts are immutable. It's crucial to ensure that the artificial intelligence-driven contracts are free from errors before deployment. Auditing. In the security with artificial intelligence, It enhanced the fraud detection, but integration into smart contracts introduce new attack vectors. Artificial intelligence model can be manipulated or fed biased data, leading to an unintended contracts outcome. Ensuring the security of both the artificial intelligence models and the smart contracts are crucial. Artificial intelligence driven decision in smart contracts may be difficult to interpret, leading to transparency issues. Smart contracts are built on the principle of transparency, and using complex artificial intelligence algorithm could obscure this decision-making process. This may be reduced trust, specifically if the artificial intelligence model is a black box, where you have no audit or transcript of exactly what the artificial intelligence model is. So regulatory compliance, so the legal status of these artificial intelligence enhanced smart contracts is still evolving. Regulatory frameworks needs to catch up to account for the complexity introduced by artificial intelligence, that including the accountability when AI makes an incorrect decision or when error occurs in the smart contract by human error. As blockchain, AI, and smart contracts technologies continues to evolve, we can expect that increased adaptation of artificial intelligence powered smart contracts. So the future could involve fully autonomous contracts that not only executes based on predefined rules, but also learn, adapts, and optimize over time. In industries like finance, logistics, and insurance, we see a lot of transition and transformation with a more efficient, secure, and adaptive systems. Then artificial intelligence, together with decentralized organization like DAOs. So in a decentralized organization where the decision making is spread among members, AI enhanced smart contracts would facilitate efficient data-driven governance. The AI could automate proposals, voting, and resource allocations within the organization, optimizing its all over operations. Artificial intelligence would or could also enhance smart contract interoperability between different blockchain platforms to enable more seamless collaboration across different networks. Artificial intelligence-driven oracles could work across multiple chains, providing a much more interconnected blockchain ecosystem for the future. So, looking at a recent article from chainlinktoday.com, its title was Connecting Smart Contracts to the Universe of AI Models with Chainlink. So, in a new video, the co-founder of Chainlink, Sergey Nazarov, he outlined how Chainlink's decentralized Oracle networks, DONs, could interact with artificial intelligence models to the degree needed to mitigate risks such as hallucinations, incorrect or misleading results from factors including faulty assumptions, poor data training, and information biases. So as the industry-leading decentralized computing platform, Chainlink then provides these smart contracts with cryptographically verifiable data, the computation and cross-chain capabilities that maintains the integrity of the blockchain's determined guaranteed environment. So originally conceived as DON for aggregating different external market data sources to power decentralized finance, DeFi, Chainlink then has now enabled over 12 trillion US dollar in transaction value and expanded to various other types of data, such as weather data for insurance smart contracts. And its founder regards Chainlink as a secure and reliable interface to connect smart contracts to virtually any external data source, including artificial intelligence. And he outlined two primary ways that Chainlink then interact with artificial intelligence models. One way was to interface with individual artificial intelligence models as the single source of inputs into the smart contract. But for this to work well, you need to put a lot of faith in that single artificial intelligence model and to consider that that single artificial intelligence model is a reliable source of inputs and information. Similar to how you would consider a single data source as a reliable source of imports and information. If an artificial intelligence model is reliable enough to control value with these minimal hallucinations, Chainlink can then enable that artificial intelligence model to control smart contracts on multiple different chains. But the risk of that single point of failure are too great. So Chainlink can be used to aggregate the results of multiple artificial intelligence models as it would aggregate market data that it does today. So you can actually connect Chainlink to multiple individual artificial intelligence models, and you can aggregate that responses within the Chainlink Oracle network to get them aligned to agree to a certain threshold that you feel is greater degree of reliability. So you're not getting an input from one single artificial intelligence model, you're actually getting data and input from multiple ones. Let's say 5 or 7 of them. And now you're getting the answer of the universe of the artificial intelligence model. And your accuracy would be so much greater and reliable. So Chainlink's decentralized Oracle networks don't offer that reliable and secure way to integrate artificial intelligence AI models with smart contracts, addressing the risk like hallucinations caused by data inaccuracy or biases. So meaning by hallucinations mean that it's not really the right, correct data answers. So by connecting that artificial intelligence models, Chainlink provides two approaches, relying on one single trusted artificial intelligence model or aggregating inputs from multiple sources to increase the reliability and minimize the risk of a single port or point of failure. So very, very interesting way to utilizing and making sure that the rate data, so for an example from Chainlink's weather parts and so on, so for an insurance company, I mean, this would be enormously important and of value for them to have the right input to the smart contracts for execution when something has happened, for an example. So let's see what the benefits from WorldMiner's platform by creating your own teams or networks and obtaining rewards from your team's profits. So there are 3 types of rewards in the WorldMiner's ecosystem. We start with team rewards. So when you become a member and you reach that certain level, you will unlock team members mining revenue rewards. So in this system, you get a percentage bonus from the profits that is generated from your network team. Like we always say in WorldMiner, together we become stronger. Together we create wealth. So our levels of the memberships, they range from V1 to V5. The higher the level, the greater bonus proportions. All this you can, in our Telegram group after, have further support and understanding how it works, and it will be explained to you exactly how the different levels works and what are the percentages of bonus generated from the team's profit making in the system. So it's from the profit made on a daily basis that is then shared in the reward, in the team rewards, or when you're actually inviting people to participating with you in the platform. So when calculating individual staked amount and team performance, only assets from unexpired mining products are considered. 2, the mentioned team's performance specifically is referred to the performance of the total team members and do not include the referee's own staked product assets. So when calculating the number of direct active members, yourself is not included. So referral rewards, that is in addition to the team rewards, is that we offer the invitation rewards, just like you would have in a normal affiliate program, for example. That is very generous. And the direct invitation gives you a 15% reward, and the indirect invitation brings you the 10% of the profit generated from the performance of the personal investments in the platform. Not what is being deposited, but from the generation of that specific products. So level 1, 15%, indirect invitation, level 2, 10%. The multi-level rewards, when your level is higher or equal to a subordinate, you also enjoy 20% of the mining revenue of the subordinate's team as the multi-level reward. But you must take in consideration that a V0, a beginner level, are not eligible. Only V1 to V5. All referral rewards are issued in the form of our platform's computing power token, WM tokens. All issued WorldCoin amounts needs to deduct a 20% transactional fee and be transferred at 80% of the total value. We count team performance at 1 a.m. daily and adjust the revenue proportion based on the new rating. After rating, the next day's revenue is calculated based on the new rating. Registered users with no active staking. This is important. So if you do not participate, it's considered an invalid user in the system. And their positions are replaced by the users below in the network who purchase products. Once the invalid, again, participate with the product, they restore their valid status and their original position. So it's important to participate, to follow up, and engage in system. And the 4 modalities that we have in WorldMiner, and it's important because we lower the thresholds and we're making sure that everybody can participate in WorldMine, because we believe that everybody in the new era of AI and blockchain technology should be able to participate in all of this. So let me just again let you know about the 4 different staking mining methods. First of all, dual coin mining. That is the first one and the most important in our platform, and is the first step to participate in the WorldMiner application and product. In this method, the user require to do an input of 100 USDT in a value precision of 70-30% ratio. That means 70% is USDT and our seed token, SAM token, that is WorldMiner seed token, respectively. This principle will generate every 24 hours World coins and WorldMiner coins in the same 70-30% ratio. The daily output will automatically be transferred to the wallet of yours once it's generated. Every day, depending on the staking modality that you're utilizing. And there is, in the dual coin mining, 4 different modalities. There is the precision mining, that is 7 days, cloud data analyst mining, that is 30 days, quarterly investment mining, that is 90 days, and AI intelligent mining, 180 days. And they all have different profit output of the daily basis. So the shorter the period of staking, the less profit output. The longer the staking, it's higher. It starts from 0.7% to 1.5%. And it's important that after your staking period is over, you can then select to take all your principal back or to start a new staking with the same principal, meaning that you don't need to add another principal. This methodology applies to any staking in our WorldMiner platforms. Second one, ATM mining. Here you utilize the WorldMiner that is generated from the dual coin mining and stake it to generate ATM coins at a 1% daily profit outlook and for a lockup period of 10 days. An ATM is one of WorldMiner's coins and it can be traded on secondary markets. Liquidity mining, our third product service. This method in our platform is liquidity mining and is a very interesting methodology that we're utilizing because here you stake either WorldCoin or ATM or both, up to you. And you get a 1.5% daily profit on the same coin for a lockup period of 10 days. But if you decide to restake again for another 10 days, the platform grants you another 0.5%, meaning 2% the following 10 days, and can continue doing this restaking process until you reach a maximum of 5% daily rewards. And bear in mind that the accumulated output percentage in this method is bound to each independent staking process that you started. Then our last staking method is easier. Sometimes we need liquidity and we might just do a daily easy earn, meaning that you stake either your WorldCoin or WorldMiner coins or both for just 24 hours period, and you gain a 0.7% daily profit. So there are pretty interesting gains, both from the traditional or virtual markets. So start your process today, install the WorldMiner app, talk with our team or in Telegram groups. If you have any questions, they will be answered all there, and start your successful and profitable journey today. That concludes our topics for today. I would like to thank you, everybody. My name is Ola Johannes Lind. I am the CEO of World Miner. Thank you for this session, and I see you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye bye.